Do right activity. Do right activity. Do right activity.
Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this cute half up, half down style with this hair that was sent to me by Asteria Hair. Thank you, Asteria Hair, for sponsoring this video. So if you guys want to see how I got this flawless melt and this really super cute hairstyle, just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Today I want to kind of show you guys how I do my ball caps. I think I showed you guys in a different video, but I just wanted to kind of just do it again so you guys can see how I do it and everything. So I have my hair braided back under this cap. Now I'm gonna take some 70% alcohol. I got it from Kroger and it came in like a spray bottle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cleanse the perimeter of my hairline, and then I'm gonna be going in with a scalp protector. Today I'm trying out some new products from my vendor because I am trying to sell products soon, so I'm just testing out different vendors and seeing which one is going to be the one. So I won't have like those products listed below because they're not out yet, but I'm super excited about that. So we're just going to be testing them out, seeing how they perform. And yeah, so I'm just going to go through and do the alcohol, then I'm going to spray the scalp protector, and then I'm going to show you guys how I do my ball cap, and then we're going to get into the install.
Motherfucking bitch nigga in my bed clothes. That's the question. All my friends are fake hoes. Double on no triple six, your topic list. Used to do it, now to find no double shit. If he don't shut the hoe, he's not my friend. Playing greedy with the bitch, come get your mess. Do right activity. Do right activity. Do right activity. Do right activity. Extension. 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 I'm big rich. Go run that comma to your mama, ho. You know I'm crazy like my mama, ho. You know I get it from my mama, ho. Don't talk to your mama, crazy, ho. Have a baby, ho. Give me poppin' in my head. Now while I'm playing, don't be eyeballing your sister, ho. Smoking mystical, the whole getting physical. More like scissoring. It's a big on the ring. Take the risk, take the risk. It's a secret tangerine. Right activity. Do right activity. Do right activity. Do right activity. Extension. Extension. Extension.
Alright y'all, so I have the wig on my head. As you can see, I customized it to match like the shape of my hairline. So that's cute or whatever. Only thing, it seems like the wig is kind of too small. I think I'm just gonna have to kind of make some slit back here where the track and the frontal meet. I think I'm gonna have to like make a small incision right there so that it can kind of retract and I can pull it down to my sideburns. So I think I'm just gonna go off camera and do that, and then we're just gonna get into the install. This feels like summer. So guys, like I said, I'm using some product samples today, so I don't have the link for them, but this one smells kind of good. It smells like a strawberry milkshake. I like that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna do my regular method, and yeah, if I need to tell you guys something, I'll just pop in, but for the most part, we're just gonna go in like a normal install and go ahead and get it popping.
Kingdom to falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I could choose?
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tilty slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. Know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep to shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner, till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you go? Feel my age, sending action. These days, no my age. Niggas be blasting, living in the mix of this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner, till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner, till I D.I.E.
Up, half down with that scrunchie, or I might put this purple one in. Why y'all didn't tell me why Rob was showing? This hair is so cute. Is it giving side part right now? Let me know. I don't want to do a side part. I think I'm gonna do a half up, half down, but it's not gonna be like a full one. It's gonna be like from here to here. So I'm just gonna hot comb this up and rubber band it and then put a scrunchie. So I might alternate between the Tresemme spray and the olive oil spray. But yeah, girl, I'm tired. Like, your girl is tired as hell. I don't even know if I'm gonna beat the face. Like, should I beat the face? I don't know. And I got something stuck in my teeth because I'm going through it. Oh, actually, I might not do scrunchies. Actually, I might put some bubbles. I call these bubbles, y'all. What do y'all call these? I know some people call them knockers. I think that's very country. I call them bubbles. So I think I'm gonna put some bubbles in my hair.
First time in a long time. Hurting deeply inside. First time in a long time. Hurting deeply. Trustful. Watching my back even when I'm in the booth. Oh, trustful. Doing my thing, but I'm down to come clean. I like you. I wanna make you feel the way, love. So that's true. I'll take it. Just tell me it can't be that crazy. Even if it is that crazy, baby, I'll take it. I'm on you, I know you're not an enemy. Not you. Oh, save it. Don't waste your time. Cause I'm wavy. I'm saying things that I don't mean, that I do mean, that I don't want you to miss me. Cause there's no way you're sorry, and you're trying. You say things that I do believe, but I don't even want you. my mind. I'm supposed to be your mind for the first time in a long time. First time in a long time.
All right, you guys, this is the completed look. This is what we came up with. Let's get a close up on the edges so y'all can see. And this is the hair. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how long it is on me, and the specs and everything. I'm gonna place them up on the screen right here so you guys can know all the specs of the hair, and they will be in the description box. But guys, Asteria Hair came through. This wig is absolutely beautiful. I bleached it, plucked it, everything was a dream. I mean, the lace is HD, so you already know it's melted, and my glue is actually really good. I can't wait to start selling these products and getting into it. So you guys stay tuned for that. But it's been straight bangers around here lately. Like, these wigs have been very much top notch. So that's all I really have to say. This wig is a high quality wig. You know, Asteria is one of my tried and true brands that I always swear by. So this is no different. Guys, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I love the curl pattern. It's not too tight, but I got it in the 250% density, so it is very full, and I just love it. I put some mousse in it and I sprayed it down with some water, and y'all, tell me I didn't come through. Tell me that I did not come through. Y'all know I did. Like, what? This hair came out so freaking cute. I love it. I love how I customized it to my hairline. I know I have a low hairline, so it goes like, my hairline starts further back in the middle, but then it comes down closer on the sides. So I think I got a really good customization to how my natural hair is. And so I really love it. Actually, I do have one con about the hair. I ordered a medium cap, and I normally get medium caps, but it was too small for my head. So I definitely had to finagle it. I had to cut slits in the sides, like where the tracks in the frontal meet, just to be able to kind of fit it on my head. But sometimes I have to do that with wigs because there's not like a standard sizing, so sometimes the wigs can be a little bit too small. So I did have to do a little bit of customization, but that's with everything, so I wasn't really too pressed about that. But yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I want to tell y'all. Oh, this wig is a full 13x4 frontal. It's not a lace front, so you get your full 13x4 parting all the way from ear to ear, which is definitely a plus. I've been seeing more of the full frontals getting circulated back into the game, because for a while now it's been only like lace front wigs. So like if it's 13x4, the 13x4 will be like in the middle, but then on the sides you'll get like 2 inches of parting space. But that is not the case with this wig, so that's definitely a plus. So if you guys like this hair and you guys want to shop with Asteria Hair for some good water wave, go ahead and hit up Asteria Hair. I will have the coupon code on the screen so you guys can shop and save some money. And yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about this look, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.